Hello, guys, and welcome to New School. Today, I'll be taking you through Git and GitHub. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please do want to hit the subscribe button, and also please hit the like button to support this channel. Now, many of you might be wondering, what is Git? Well, Git is a developer tool that is used to manage and track a file. Then, what is GitHub? GitHub is a website by Microsoft that uses Git to manage and track your file. So today I'll be showing you some Git commands, and so let's get right into it. Okay, so now I'm in my Visual Studio Code and I've made a new folder named Git, and I've opened it. So we'll go here and type index.html. Okay, yeah, so I've got to add. If you want to use Git and GitHub, you need to go online and search for node.js, and you need to install the node.js in order to use Git. Now I'll go to my terminal, click on new terminal. Now to start Git, I'll type Git init. Now it's saying initialize empty Git repository in my file. So now you see that the index.html has become green with U. This U shows when we hover on the U, we see it says on track. So now it means it's not tracking the index file. So for it to track, I'll say git add dot. When I say git add dot, it means it's going to add everything. But let's say I want to add only the index.html. So I'll type index.html. Now you see the U changes to an E. When we hover on it, it says index added. So now I want to commit. Now to commit means like to submit a change. Now you every time you make a change in your file, or let's say a major change, I'll suggest that you make a commit, because when you make a mistake, it makes it easier for you to go back to when you didn't make the mistake. So I'll say git commit. Now to do the commit, you need to add a message. I'll type dash m, then I'll put an open quote. Then let's see, made my first commit. Now type enter. Good. Now you're seeing one file change, zero intersections, there's zero deletion. Now you see that it doesn't have anything, it's not highlighted or anything like that. So now let's say I preview this and then I'll type button, and let's see, git is awesome. Good. Now you see that now you see it says modified, which means I have made a change in the index.html file. Now something like this, I'll have to commit again. So I'll say git commit dash m, then I'll say added a button. Good. Oh yeah, sorry. I first needed to add it first. So you type git add index.html. Good. Now that I've added the index, now say git commit dash m. Now say added a button. Good. So now it has added the button successfully. So now on the next step, I'll show you how to push all this to GitHub. Okay, guys, so now I've opened my browser Edge and I've opened github.com. What we'll do is click on new. Right? Then let's see git tutorial. Okay, it's available. Let's make it public. Just skip all these and then let's create repository. Okay, so now to start, we will need to push it as I said earlier. So we'll first copy this. So copy. Then we'll go to GitHub and press paste. Good. So now go back. Then we'll highlight this, copy, then go to the VS Code, paste this, enter, then go here, copy this and paste. So now it's going to push all my files, which is the index.html, to GitHub. So it's successfully done. Now when we go to GitHub, let's hit refresh. You see that the file has come here successfully. So that's it. This is how you create your file and push it to GitHub. See you next time. Bye.